Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a thumbnail or how to put the thumbnail on your YouTube video. So this is what my thumbnails look like, and I'm also going to show you or share to you on my next video on how I edit my YouTube thumbnail. So this is my thumbnail. This is how it looks like. I'm going to show you now how I edit my YouTube thumbnail. So first, you have to have a YouTube Studio or a YouTube Studio app. It is free on the Play Store. So this is how it looks like on YouTube Studio. You can see your dashboards in here, and then it says your content. So now you can view more of your videos. And let's try to change one of these thumbnail. So let's change this one. Click the pen on the picture, the top, and then click the pen to change it. It also gives you options or choices on what thumbnail you could put, but you can also change it by yourself and clicking new thumbnail. So I'm just going to put a new thumbnail. So I'm going to select the same picture for this one and then click select at the top. You can also put tags or save this video on your playlist and then put a subscription and change the title of your video, and then you can select save at the top, or you can click save at the top. Then that's it. That's how you change your YouTube thumbnail. So that's it guys, as easy as that. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.